Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, something grand, a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Submariner. This is the Submariner date, of course. You can see the dial of this watch, part of the first generation of these 6-digit yellow gold subs. So the model originally came out in 2008, and through 2012, it was built with this beautiful glossy lacquer dial, subsequently replaced for 2013 with a more traditional sunburst. But this gloss lacquer dial is a nice match for the gloss of the cerachrom bezel. So these watches do have their fans, and I count myself among them. So this model, as you see it, made from 2008 to 2012, is 40 millimeters in diameter. It's 12.3 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 48 millimeters from end link to end link. Total distance across the wrist, 50.9 millimeters, with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. And this is a V serial number, so manufactured in 2009. We'll take a look at the watch and how everything goes together and how it goes on the wrist. Throwing it on my wrist real quick here. Let's take a quick look. We'll peel back my glove just a little bit so you can get a better sense of how big my wrist is and where my wrist is. And now you can see the watch is a good fit. Now it's bigger than the previous 5-digit subs, there's no doubt about that. Taking a look down the barrel though, let's try to balance this out a little bit better side to side. Taking a look down the barrel, you can see I've got a bit of clearance on each side. So let's say this is suitable for a wrist of 15 centimeters circumference or larger. It is delightfully thin. One of the great attractions of Rolex Submariner dive watches is that they are very thin for the true ISO class dive watches, especially one with 300-meter depth and automatic winding with a rotating bezel. There's a lot of hardware in there for a 12.3 millimeter thick case, and that is quite remarkable because that's right on par about with where a Daytona would be. Taking a look at the bracelet, a lot of folks are going to wonder, what does all of this weigh? Bracelet, clasp, and watch. Let's throw it on Sammy the scale, get a better sense there. Now you can see quite a bit, 214 grams, and then that would be about 214 and 54 hundredths of a gram if you subtract the tags. So it's a massive machine. If you like the feeling of a hefty watch, this is for you. Now the watch has an impressive bracelet. You can see a conforming end link to mate it cleanly to the case, a tapered bracelet that necks down towards the clasp. The width diminishes. We have polish, we have satin. It's a good look. Taking a look at the clasp, you can see there's a lift lock system in there. See a beak and a hook. The two interact and interlock just like that, and you snap it together, and then to unlatch this, you actually have to pull the spring-loaded latch up. So there's two locking factors. One is that, and then the other is this clamshell mechanism externally. A major attraction of Rolex dive watches is that you get quite a bit of adjustability with the glide lock system. Now this is 20 millimeters of adjustment in 2 millimeter increments. You can move it in, out a little bit to fine tune, pull it out all the way, lock it in place, use it over a dive suit, or if you're like me, a thick winter coat or sweater. It's useful whether you are diving or not. Taking a look at the case, you can see very squared off lugs, polished flanks, satin shoulders. We have a triple lock crown here in gold. You know that because there's 3 dots and the center one is largest. That is a triple lock in gold. People always ask about the case back. There it is. Taking a look now at the bezel, 120 click and very refined. The cerachrom ceramic bezel insert, highly scratch resistant, and then the rest, the indices and the numerals, that's all PVD gold to match the watch. You can see we've got a sapphire capped bezel pearl for durability. Turn the light out real quick, take a look at the watch. You can see Rolex's unique chromolite blue lume, all 3 hands loomed, including the seconds hand. You know if your backup dive timer is running. I always love a dive bezel because it's easier to read the time than on a chronograph minutes register, and you don't get the big downstream service costs of a chronograph. Taking the crown out now, there's 2 different positions. One is hacking or stop seconds. That allows you to set the watch to a reference time. And then separately, we have a quick set date. You can see under the Cyclops eye magnifier, yellow gold hands, yellow gold indices. They will never tarnish or oxidize. And then that lovely lustrous blue lacquer dial. Again, that changed in 2013. And I happen to like the look of this gloss blue on gloss blue. To me, it's more distinctive. Inside, caliber 3135, 31 joules, 4 hertz, bidirectional automatic winding, 48-hour power reserve, shock resistant with a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance. It has an overcoil hairspring spring that breathes concentrically, no matter what the position of the watch with respect to gravity. And then it's 5-position adjusted and certified as a Swiss chronometer, this movement is. So it is tough, and it also is very precise. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.